Do you want to know how to earn money while live streaming? Well, then this video's for you. Stay tuned. Welcome to Live Streaming Tech, and if you want to learn to stream like a pro, make sure you click that subscribe button and turn that bell notification on so you don't miss a single video. In today's video, my brother Dale is going to talk about some ways in which you can earn money live streaming. Now, back when I first started streaming on Twitch, there was partners or nothing, and it was very hard to monetize my live streams. Nowadays, they have everything for each individual platform, and some that even covers all platforms. So without further ado, Dale, take it away.
So you want to learn how to earn money live streaming. Well, there's no one right way to do things as long as you're not trying to scam people. But I've found that there are 5 solid ways that I've used myself, and you can too. But before I do reveal those 5 little ways you can earn money in live streaming, I want you to stick around to the end because I'm going to save the very best for last, and one that's going to kind of surprise you. Brand deals and sponsorships. There are companies and brands that really want to get their product out in front of more people, and they know that live streaming and video content creation is big exposure for their brand or their company. Enter the live streamer such as you. That's where people are going to get a hold of you and work with you in a way that helps them get their brand out there. Now, some of you new live streamers are probably concerned, going, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get a brand deal or sponsorship. Might I recommend that, of course, the very first thing when you're getting into live streaming is start doing it and be consistent with it. And when you can start to be consistent, you're going to build a little bit of a following, and it's going to grow and grow and grow. And at that time, don't wait to get to a certain number to approach brands or companies for potential deals and sponsorships. And go with brands and specific companies that make sense to your brand. So in other words, if you are a person that is doing, say, a talk show about cats, you're probably not going to want to align yourself with, say, a dog food brand. It's probably not going to make sense. So always go for brand deals and sponsorships that make sense to yours. Affiliate programs. This is similar to the brand deals and sponsorships, except there is less of a direct correlation between you and that particular company. Now, there are a few programs that will work with you. So for instance, Amazon Associates is one that you can actually apply for online. It's fairly easy as long as you have some type of a website or a social media presence that they're looking to add you into there, and you get a percentage of all sales that are made through that affiliate program when you refer people over there. Think about what is going to be relevant to what it is that you're live streaming. So let's just say, as a for instance, over on my self-publishing channel, I'm really big into the tool called Grammarly, and I had reached out to the company, got part of the affiliate program, and when I shoot things about Grammarly, I send people through this particular link, and if somebody gets a free or a paid program, I get a percentage of all those sales. Again, kind of like the brand deals and sponsorships, only align yourself with affiliate programs that make sense to what it is that you're live streaming. Donations and tips. Now, I'm going to kind of lump all the donations and tips into one big bag here. Bits, Lino, and Stars are an example of specific platforms that the viewers are able to reward their favorite streamers. So on Twitch, they have Bits, on Facebook, they have Stars, and on DLive, we talked about that recently, they have what's called Lino, and the viewers are able to give their favorite streamers kind of a way to cheer and reward them for doing a job well done. And then there are other ways that you're able to get donations and tips that can include Streamlabs integration, where they actually have a page that you can set up and send people on over there. Don't be surprised that a few people are going to become devoted followers and they're wanting to consume your content and they want to give back to you. So donations and tips are probably one of the best ways to go about it. As a worst case scenario, you can always set up something like a paypal.me and have that available. So that way, if for some reason someone's like, I really enjoy your stuff, I would love to, give you money for your efforts, or I would like to reward you for your efforts, then you have these things available. Merch by Amazon, Teespring, and Redbubble, among many other platforms, allow you to merchandise your brand through print-on-demand means. So you can get t-shirts, stickers, hats, blankets, clocks, towels, anything that is related to your brand. You can be able to put it into some type of a merchandising. And again, you're going to amass a bit of a following, and sometimes they want to share their pride or even support you, the live streamer. And believe it or not, putting together a lot of the merchandise is easier than you think, and there are so many videos out there that you can learn how to do it very simply. Before we get to the final way that I'm going to recommend to earn money on live streaming, I'd like to know, what are ways that you have monetized your live streaming platform? Drop them down inside the comments. And lastly, quest mode. Okay, some of you are probably scratching your head and wondering, what the heck is quest mode? Well, it's put together by a group called Opera Event, and actually it's a mobile-based application of some sort, and you get involved into the program and your viewers are watching you. You give them a clickable link to where they can select from a range of different mobile apps and subscription-based services. Now, it's completely free to them and it's completely free to you. And let's just say they're watching you doing a talk show on Twitch. Or you're playing some type of games. Well, they would select your link, and at that point they would go into a selection of numerous video games that they can play, or even like subscription-based services like Hulu or Dollar Shave Club, something like that. And when they select that, let's say they play the game, after they get so many accomplishments, you, the streamer, get rewarded for them using those apps. So put it simply, you just refer them through a link and you get cash from some of these streamers. So that's kind of nice. And there's some integrations involved with Twitch, and I know they're working on some with YouTube right now that it's going to really start to scale up. In fact, if you want more details and you want to get set up with quest mode, you can always go to our affiliate link at livestreamingtech.site/quest. Now, fair warning though, when it comes to quest mode, you do actually have to be a part of the Twitch affiliate program or the partner program in order to actually take advantage of them. And if you're not really sure what it takes to become a Twitch affiliate or partner, you may want to check out our next video right over there. I'll see you then.